Hello, my name is Naheed and I work for Driven Properties. A lot of people find it difficult to invest in off-plan properties in Dubai, but if you know the necessary steps to take, you too will be able to invest in off-plan properties. Step 1, do your research. Before starting anything, it's good to do your research with a qualified agent. Find out everything you need to know before selecting your property. It's best to ask yourself some questions when you start this process, like, what is your budget? What type of property are you looking for? What is the purpose of buying? Are you an end user or do you want to purchase with investment purpose? That and so much more. Once you have found a property that suits all your needs, it's time to move on to the next step. Step 2, call an agent. Once you have a clear idea of what kind of property you want, it's time to call an agent. A real estate agent will be able to assist, advise and guide you on the off-plan process. And of course, Driven has some of the most experienced and skilled agents that are ready to help you in every step of the way. Step 3, documents. To start your off-plan process, you will only need a valid passport copy and an Emirates ID if you are a UAE resident. Step 4, finances. Your initial payment required is just the down payment as a setup by the developer. Majority of off-plan projects require down payment of 5 to 10% of the total property value. Your fees also include booking fee, reservation fee, payable in cheque, cash, bank transfer or credit card. Booking fees is the initial amount you place to reserve the property. DLD registration fees. These are one-time fees for registering the property with Dubai Land Department, 4% of the purchase price. Annual service fees, to be paid after the property is completed for maintaining the common area and community. The main benefit of purchasing off-plan is that you can spread out payments over a long period. Step 5, contract signing. So now you have everything ready, the off-plan property of your choice, updated documents, a trusted agent and the necessary funds. Now what's left is just to review it all and finally sign the contract. Contract of sale and purchase is prepared by the developer and must be signed by you as the buyer. In order for this contract to be prepared, the following conditions must be met. Booking reservation form signed, down payment as per developer's payment plan paid in full, DLD registration of property fees paid. So remember, do your research and review everything and never sign anything before you ask an expert, and you can get your first off-plan property. For any other further questions on off-plan properties, please be sure to contact Driven Properties.